hey guys, just doing some light reading today. I'm so excited because today we are heading up to Sequoia National Park. I am doing a photo shoot for Nature Valley, and any excuse I get to go into the mountains. Snowing right now, so it should be a good time, and we're going to try to find a little winter trail. So on our way up to Sequoia, and so much is going on. I just got a call from the production company that I'm working with to try to get my show to TV, and we're going to set up a business plan. I talked to 2 different destinations about putting together a press trip, so that's exciting. There should be some good trips coming up. I'm currently editing Sequoia National Forest, and I just set up headshots for acting and for hosting and all that good stuff. Since my hair is a little bit shorter now, it's about time. So it's been a pretty productive day, and I'm excited to get up there and play in the snow now. All right, do you guys see this? We are heading into a giant snowstorm. So this will be fun. All right, it's time to learn how to do this.
All right, stick the thing under the thing.
What was that?
Stick the thing in the thing.
And then you're done.
And then you're done.
It's intense. Is that a guy or a girl? I can't tell by the hat.
Oh man. Alright, it's on. No.
Yeah, I am.
I'm here at Kings Canyon, and we stopped for some lunch, and they just told us that there is no fried food in national parks. They say healthy parks, healthy people, and I think that that's really cool. So apparently we picked the day. It's the snowiest day of the year. It's so pretty. It's really slippery through here.
Wait, what? Look out!
There's some jokes there.
Snowplow!
There's a plowman coming. So this has been amazing and super, super beautiful. I've never quite seen it with snow like this. They said it's the most snow of the year, but we got our photos, and now we got to turn around and get on the road before it gets too crazy, and then we have to live here forever. So, what? Who? It's a Yeti! It's a Yeti! I found it!